Hi guys, this is Bhushan from Basic Solution, also known as Mumbai Technology. So today I am going to show is a solar operated multifunction agriculture machine or robot. This is the project model of multifunction agriculture machine. So at front we see the grass or crop cutter mechanism with a high speed motor of 5000 rpm along with the sharp blades. We use around 20 watt of solar panel here along with a LED light system, so you can use this machine or robot in a night also. At the back we use around 5 liter of tank for the air, water or any pesticide sprayer you can store here. So there is a one cap here, so you can fill water or pesticide from here. Next thing is, at the bottom of this tank we use a high speed DC pump, high pressure DC pump, so you can easily extract the water or pesticide from the tank and use for the pestification or watering purpose in agriculture. At the last we use the agriculture seeding mechanism or seed roller at the back side of this robot, so you can fill seeds here from this input, and after it you just close this and it is continuously in a rolling conditions, so seed will be dropped at the soil. So this is all about the function of this robot. And at this side, if you see, there is a voltage meter, so you can easily know what is the status of the voltage, whether it is high, low or in a down condition. So this is the regulator also, so you can adjust the speed of the adjust the pressure of the pump. You can throw to the pesticide, use for the pesticide, so you can adjust this. And next is this is the charging module or female connectors. So you can easily charge the battery by using this adapter. So directly you have to plug this and you can easily charge. Okay. So whenever you switch on the project, so first of all you have to connect the battery simply by connecting the male connector to the female socket here, like this, and place over here. As you see right now, the battery voltage at a high condition right now in green, so you can adjust the regulator and increase the pressure if you want. So let's operate this robot. For that we have a wired remote. Okay. So this is the wired remote. The distance also in a large size. So you can adjust the direction of this robot, like a front, back. If you want to move in a left, if you want to move in the right. So like this you can operate. Next thing is you can use the light for the night vision. So as you see, there are various switches here, so let's switch on. So right now I switch on the pump. As you heard the sound of the DC pump, you can increase the pressure if you want by regulator like this, and also you can extend this pesticide stick like this. The size of this stick will be increased. Okay, so in this way the high pressure DC pump will be operated. Next thing is the seed roller. So this is the switch of the seed roller. As you see, it is continuously moving in a clockwise direction, so it can easily drop the seed at the soil. Next thing is the cutting. As you see at the front, the cutter will be on. So like this, this solar operated multifunction agriculture machine or robot will work with the help of cutting, seeding, pesticides and water functions. If you want to use the water functions, simply you have to put the water inside the tank and simply you have to remove this also. Okay, so it will be, water will be easily dropped at your soil, okay, or field. So in this way this project will work. Hope you like this type of the project. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.